I get it from both sides.
Oh yeah, of course.
Today I'm going out to North Shore to clean up from the storm catastrophe. We received last minute notice to get PPE and my wife went out and helped me get my PPE. So I wanted to show you guys. This is my personal protective eyeliner. Oh, go in the field like this, searching out of debris. Something get in your eye, protected. Gotta protect my contacts, boo. Protective gloves, mechanics wear. See this? Protected, right there, boo. Like scrap, boom, protected. I will pick up all the debris. Gonna be protected, boo. Gonna pick up a nail. Oh, protected, boo. You thought. Oh, yeah, you protective. I'm all about that PPE, personal protective equipment, boo. Anyway, we're going out to North Shore. I should actually head out right now. Yes, sir.
I get it from both sides.
Oh yeah, of course.
Lunchtime,
Real weekend. Real weekend.
This is jotted down.
fit check. Look at this, spring edition cherry sakura flavor. It's fucking awesome.
This is jotted down.
Just transition. Anyway, you can keep going. We're gonna sample the Bluetooth.
Wait, did you eat your cake? Oh! Maybe you like it?
We're stuck. We are going to be setting this bung up right there by the light switch. Look at this. It looks like an amp. It's an actual Fender brand amp. It comes with 4 keychains with amp plug-in. Look at that. Oh, you fuck off. Oh, cousin. That looks so good, y'all. Wait, let me actually get it from the back. So I'll put the organ into my keychain. Cool. Oh, I gotta go work. Bye, sis. We'll be out here. Day 5.
Nice.
We out here. We're gonna ride this team. I'm the chosen one. So cute. Coffee fix. Thanks, Koi Coffee.
Where do I begin?
got me new boots. My military boots. Oh, baby. Baby. These are my boots right now. This is a result of 4 years of service, doing deep cleaning in the kitchen, doing different types of orders, activity orders in Australia, in Japan. This has been my boots since then. And these are the new boots my wife got me.
I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me.
Conversations are like.
Alright guys, for day 7, we're gonna be breaking in my new boots that my wife got. These are the Nike SFBs, SFBs jungle boots. How much were these days? 200? 200? Wow. These are lightweight tactical boots that are waterproof. There's no mud getting on these boots. You like my boots, babe?
All my love's for you, always been a true angel to me now, but I can wait for you to wrap your wings around me. Sometimes
Put their photo in your hat. We went arcade.
Dream about us together again. What I want us together again, baby. I know we'll be together.
Day 7, we got released early and we ran
Every smile I see.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a week in my life. Obviously, every week is not the same. This week just so happens to be different due to what is happening here in Hawaii. This is just to show what Hawaii Air National Guard and Army National Guard is doing to respond to this catastrophe. There are many resources and ways for you as viewers to help as well. There are many donation sites, volunteers, and many websites for you to check on the families that are in need of help. Let me know in the comment section what you guys would like to see for my next few videos. I would love some content ideas. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and all the bajaz. Follow me on my socials. And once again, mahalo for watching. Yes, sir.